Hi everyone, welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Google Sheet file and share it. So, if you didn't know how to do that, just follow the steps that I'm about to tell you until the end of this video. So, open the Google Sheet app first. And then after you open the app, to create the Google Sheet file, basically it's so easy. You just need to click on the plus icon at the bottom, and then you can just choose the template provided by the Google Sheet, or you can just click on the new spreadsheet. I'm going to maybe click on the new spreadsheet. Okay, so here is the new spreadsheet has been created. You can edit it as you want in here, and if you want to share it, just click on the plus icon first and then click on this people or icon and then plus icon, click on this. And if you want to share it, just click on the people, the email of the people that you want to share it with, for example this one. And then you can also edit what his role in this file, as an editor, commenter, or as viewer only. I'm going to viewer, and then just like that. I'm going to change it first, for example this one. And if you want to share it, just click on this, and then the person has been added into the file. Who has access is me and then this person. You can also add another people, another person into this file. Okay, so there you have it. That's it, how to create Google Sheet file and also share it. So that's it for me. If you got any question, feel free to drop it in the comment, and if you feel the video is helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the next video. Thank you.